We have in our midst, we have Bishop Tembi Alfred, National Chairman, Ministerial Council, represented. Please stand up, represented. We have His Lordship Archbishop Anyere, Chairman of the Bishopric Council and Vice President of the Executive Council. Please, can we receive our card again? We have Reverend Ndango Franklin, National Deputy Director of Evangelism. We have Apostle Dr. Kulu Peter Bue, National Advisor, Executive Council. We have Apostle Dr. Anthony Kumbi, member of the National Executive Council and President of the Littoral Regional Council, here present. Please, can you receive him? And we have Prophet Che Joseph Wa. I think I called him already. It's already there. Please, the list is not finished. The rest of the executive members that are there, because I was printing this paper within the time when some names were coming in on the list. The rest of the executive members that are here, please, can you just stand up? I will introduce one after that. You come up. Stand up, please. Because this list here wasn't exhaustive yet. Prophet Chris Raymond, please. Number one. Please, you're welcome. People are calling, just come out.
Hallelujah.
Please, just leave your name. The mic is there. Your name. Okay. Just call their names, just give the show the names to introduce himself and come forward.
First Vice President. We are full free soon.
Please, can you welcome him? Please, the next person, please, from okay.
Hallelujah.
Please, can you give a hand of welcome for him to come forward? Is there another person to come there?
Reverend Oben Utako,
Okay.
the youth president for Goya.
Please, can you give me that another person to come forward? Another person in the hall, please, you indicate. As I apologize, I printed this list while we're going on, so don't feel that we are left out. And we have to go ahead. Now we have added the list, it's for now complete. If there's no other person in the whole place, I want to call the National Executive President to stand up where he is. Remember, what we're about to do now is not just symbolic, but it's an aspect where we want to put on you the burden of this vision that you have to carry now. Take it back to your community and bring the others who have not yet heard about the vision to come in. So we have some symbols here. I'm just lifting them up to see. It's called them sash. I said it's not just the material, but it's a burden they will put on your neck. As it comes over you, feel the burden. And you will carry now the fire back to where you are coming, and you light it to keep on going around. So I'm asking the National Executive President to start on the table here, because he has to first decorate those on the table, and then they will now join him to go down for the rest. So we are starting on the table as he's decorating the first one. Can we give a hand of applause?